Marketing refers to activities designed to generate leads and turn those leads into sales. Sometimes the terms marketing and advertising are confused as meaning the same thing. They aren't. Advertising is only a part of marketing, and achieving sales can be thought of as an end result of marketing. A big part of marketing is building a brand image. Many large businesses will invest heavily in building brand awareness. Smaller and medium-sized companies need to invest in building brand awareness as well. A business's brand is the image it wants its customers to see, or the message it wants to send out into the world. Powerful brands and messages build customer loyalty and generate sales. Building a powerful, successful brand means figuring out what your business does better and different than other businesses, capitalizing on those skills, and then making sure everyone finds out. Businesses also need to decide what kind of customers they want to attract with their marketing techniques. This is referred to as your target market. Digital marketing is defined as marketing that uses electronic devices, which includes smartphones, tablets, computers, game consoles, and cell phones, to engage with and market to consumers. TV and radio can also be considered digital marketing, but generally when people talk about new digital marketing, they are talking about internet-related digital marketing. The complete history of digital marketing is complex and long, but here's a brief overview of its history. During the dot-com boom of the 1990s, businesses started selling their products in a whole new way, online. This meant that their advertising methods had to change, so businesses started using keyword targeting and search engine optimization. If users went to google.com and searched for toolboxes, an ad would appear at the top of the search results from a company offering toolboxes. Over the many years, this idea has been expanded and refined. Many businesses now pay for a service called AdWords, which is offered by Google. The way this service works is a person will search for something on Google, and then the search words will be analyzed in real time, causing related paid advertisements to appear in addition to the normal search results. This allows businesses to display advertisements for products that are similar to what the person is already searching for. There are other search engines with services like this as well. The next major advancement came in the form of what are called cookies. But these aren't the cookies you eat. Instead, when a person visits a website, a small file is placed on the computer system that tracks certain activities. So let's say you visit a website that sells fishing gear. The website will place a small file on your computer with information about what you were looking at and possibly what you bought. Then maybe you visit a website that describes great places to fish. That website stores a cookie on your computer as well. Marketers will use this information to see that you visited a site that sold fishing gear and also visited a site that described great fishing places. As a result, you'll probably end up seeing an advertisement for a vacation package that includes great fishing spots. Marketers and businesses are now collecting monumental amounts of data from these cookies and other sources. As a side note, consumers can, and often do, limit a website's ability to set cookies and collect data. Consumers are more concerned about privacy now than ever before. The next and more recent development in the world of digital marketing was a massive expansion of social networking. I'm sure you've heard of Facebook and Twitter, and perhaps your kids have shown you videos on YouTube. Social networking has permeated the lives of most Americans and countless others around the world. As of the fourth quarter of 2018, Facebook had 2.32 billion monthly active users worldwide. The average user spends around an hour each day on Facebook. This translates into huge marketing opportunities. The way social networking sites like Facebook advertise is even more effective than cookies. Facebook contains treasure troves of data on its users. The users themselves offer up most of the data, including their age, gender, interests, dislikes, photos, and more. Users will check in at restaurants, movie theaters, sports arenas, and other places, telling the world, and Facebook, where they are at any given moment. This data is gathered and analyzed, which allows marketers to show advertisements to users that are directly relevant to their tastes. The amount of data companies like Facebook store on its users and then use for advertising is huge. Here's an example. Let's say Mary has photos of Hawaii on her profile. Her likes include travel and coffee. In fact, she posts status updates nearly every day commenting on what coffee she bought that morning. Based on that information, she may see an advertisement for a hotel in Hawaii that has a coffee bar, or something similar. It's not hard to see the power in that kind of advertising. The power of marketing through social media is so powerful, it is now referred to as social media marketing and is considered one part of the digital marketing toolkit. There is much more history to digital marketing than what we've discussed here, but this provides a framework to help you understand the power and appeal of digital marketing. For maximum effect, businesses like to advertise in places with the greatest number of people who are most open to what they're offering. The internet and all that comes with it makes this completely possible and relatively easy. The difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing is not always easy to see. First, it's important to understand that digital marketing and traditional marketing can complement each other very nicely. The most robust marketing strategies usually involve a combination of both. Still, the prevalence, usability, and practicality of traditional marketing are fading. Traditional marketing involves advertising methods like business cards, newspapers, billboards, TV commercials, radio, magazines, referrals, networking, and really any other form of advertisement that doesn't involve the digital realm. Digital marketing methods include websites, search engine marketing, banner advertisements, and short message service, or SMS, which we know as texting. It also incorporates mobile marketing, the iTunes and Google Play stores, email marketing, and social media marketing. Here are some key differences between digital marketing and traditional marketing. There are more differences between digital and traditional marketing, but these are the main ones. It's easy to see why digital marketing is so appealing. It gives businesses more opportunity to match advertisements with customer desire, the ability to reach a virtually unlimited amount of people, the ability to track marketing effectiveness, and it's immensely powerful in developing relationships with customers.